Introducing the 2018 Chevrolet Equinox. This vehicle is an outstanding buy with fewer than 60,000 miles on the odometer. The advanced safety features, passenger-friendly cabin, generous cargo space, and connected technology of the Equinox help you navigate every twist and turn of the road with confidence and style. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: Bluetooth connection, traction control, daytime running lights, cruise control, power windows, power door locks, power steering. Why settle for a vehicle that's merely functional when you can have style as well? Get into the Equinox and go places.